illustrates its transformation from a simple, affordable snack to a global favorite, highlighting its cultural relevance over the years. Notably, the brand's clever name change in 1937 connects it to literary history. Nestlé's dedication to ethically sourced cocoa and high-quality ingredients is essential for preserving KitKat's unique flavor and texture. This commitment to sustainability significantly enhances the brand's standing among consumers. The production process for KitKat involves a meticulous selection of ingredients, ensuring only the finest cocoa beans and fresh milk are utilized. Such careful attention contributes to the chocolate's consistent quality. Moreover, the roasting process is integral, as it develops the cocoa's distinct flavors and aroma. This step necessitates meticulous monitoring to avoid bitterness, making it essential in chocolate production. Following this, conching is a critical phase where the chocolate mixture is stirred at high temperatures to achieve a silky texture. This process enhances the overall flavor profile of KitKat bars, ensuring a smooth and rich chocolate experience. The iconic snap of KitKat bars serves as an intentional design feature, enhancing the tactile experience. This unique characteristic results from precise engineering during production, which is key to consumer satisfaction. Equally important is the wafer's texture, which is vital to the KitKat experience. A perfect balance during baking ensures that the wafers are neither chewy nor overly crumbly, culminating in a delightful light crunch. Packaging also plays a crucial role in preserving freshness. The foil wrapping effectively protects against moisture and air, maintaining the crispness of the wafer and the creaminess of the chocolate. In addition to this, KitKat embraces sustainability in its packaging practices, striving for 100% recyclable or reusable materials by 2025, which aims to minimize its environmental impact. Japan's KitKat variations present adventurous flavors like matcha, sake, and wasabi, highlighting the country's distinctive candy culture. These innovative flavors captivate both locals and tourists alike. Furthermore, regional flavors such as orange in the UK and cardamom in India showcase KitKat's ability to honor local tastes. This strategic approach helps maintain KitKat's global presence and appeal. Lastly, KitKat has adapted to current dietary trends by introducing vegan and dark chocolate options, catering to health-conscious consumers. This progressive innovation ensures KitKat remains relevant in a rapidly changing market.